Exercise 9.5. First, second main. Use the identity. Use the identity x plus a into x plus b. That is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This identity we have to use and find the product of the following questions now. Here x plus 3 into x plus 7 is in this form. I can write like this: x plus a into x plus b is equal to, you write down this formula again, x square into a plus b into x plus ab. So this formula you have to write every time. Compare this one, we have x is equal to x only. In place of x you can see x itself. In place of a, you can see here 3. In place of b, look at that, it is 7. So x is equal to x itself, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 7. Now if you substitute in the formula, x means x itself, x square, a plus b, a value is 3, b value is 7, 3 plus 7 into x as it is, plus ab here 3 into 7. So what you will get? X square plus 10x plus 21. This is the solution. X square plus 10x plus 21. When you multiply x plus 3 and x plus 7, you will get x square plus 10x plus 21 as the product.
Yes, sir.
The given question is 4x plus y into 4x plus 1. It is similar to the formula x plus a into x plus b. So which is equal to, formula you have to write again, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the formula. Compare this one now. Compare the formula with the given question. So in place of x we have 4x. So therefore we can write x is equal to 4x. Okay, in place of a we have 5. In place of a we have 5. A is equal to 5. What we have in place of b? In place of b we have 1. So by comparing this one with the given question, formula and question, you find that x is equal to 4x, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 1. So you need to substitute this in the formula. Substitute this, x means you have to write here 4x, x means 4x, then the square as it is 4x square. Then a plus b, a value here 5, plus b value, look at this b value, it is 1, 5 plus 1. X again you have to write 4x, in place of x you have to write 4x, plus ab, a value is 5 into b value is 1, 5 into 1. Now let us simplify this one. 4x whole square. 4x whole square means, 4x whole square means you write this 4x into 4x. So for 4 the 16, 16 x into x to the power 2, 16x square. Come to this one. 5 plus 1, 6 into 4x. Then 5 ones are 5. So if you simplify this one, 16x square, 6 4s are 24, 24x plus 5. This is the product. When you multiply 4x plus 5 and 4x plus 1, you will get 16x square plus 24x plus 5 as the product. Look at this question. The given question is 4x minus 5 and 4x minus 1.
Sir, we can interchange them. It's a minus 5 plus 4x into minus 1.
No. What is the necessary of interchanging? Just you look at this. You have to express in the form of x plus a into x plus b. Not interchanging. Look at this. Even if you interchange, it becomes minus 5 plus 4x. It is of no use. You look at this. Every time you cannot interchange. Yes, look at this. What is the purpose of doing this? I will rearrange this in another form. 4x minus 5, we will write it as 4x as it is, plus I will write, instead of writing minus I will write plus, but where I will write this small bracket and write inside that one minus 5. Then this bracket you close it. Okay, so 4x plus of minus 5. This also we can do in the same way. 4x you write it as it is. Instead of writing, you will write plus. Inside the bracket you write minus 1. So what is the difference between this and this? There is no difference. Plus into minus, minus only. Here plus into minus, minus only. Now I converted this into x plus a. X plus a into x plus b. X plus b is equal to, write the formula, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now look at this, compare this one with the given question and formula you can compare. Look at this 4x. In place of what? In place of x what we are having? 4x. So in place of x you have to write 4x. Wherever you find x you have to write 4x. And in place of a what we have? In place of a we have minus 5. Plus, see plus is here, here also it is there. In place of a what we have? Minus 5. Again x with 4x. What is the value of b? B value is equal to minus 1. B value is equal to minus 1. Just you compare x, 4x plus as it is. Then a value minus 5. X, 4x plus as it is. Then b value is equal to minus 1. So these things you have to substitute in the formula. So x is equal to 4x, a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to minus 1. So your answer will be x square. X square means 4x. 4x whole square. 4x whole square plus a value. What is the a value? Minus 5 plus of b value. It is minus 1. So I am writing inside the bracket. Plus of minus 1, b value only minus 1 into x means it is 4x. Okay, plus ab, a value it is minus 5. We will write inside the bracket minus 5 into minus 1. A value is minus 5, b value is minus 1. Simplify this one. 4x whole square means 4x into 4x. It is 16x square. So let us write this plus inside the bracket. It is minus 5. If you multiply this one, minus 1 only. Minus 5 minus 1 into 4x. Plus, minus into minus plus, 5 ones are 5. So into, you are multiplying here. Minus 5 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. So now you are getting 16x square. This one see minus 5 minus 1. It is 6. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24x plus 5. So this is the solution. So look at this. Inside the bracket you have minus 5 minus 1, it becomes minus 6. When you add these two, it becomes minus 6. Minus 6 into 4. Minus 6 into 4. It is minus 24. Then last term 5 as it is. So this is the solution. When you multiply 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1, the product is this. What you can make here 4x plus 5 and 4x minus 1, it is not in the form of x plus a into x plus b. But you need to convert. So you have to change here. So let us write the first as it is. There is no problem with the first expression. Come to the second one. It is not in the form of x plus b. 4x. Then I will write here plus. Then it becomes bracket. Inside the bracket you can write minus 1. So this is 4x plus of minus 1. Now it is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So you write the formula. Always you write the formula first. X square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now compare this one. Compare. In place of x you are having 4x. Okay. In place of a you have 5. You have 5. In place of b you have minus 1. So x is equal to 4x. A is equal to 5. B is equal to minus 1. So this you keep in mind and substitute that. So x is equal to 4x. Here also 4x, here also 4x. A value plus 5, B value minus 1. So if plus 1 plus same, what is left with along with B? That is only minus 1 only. So now x square, it is 4x whole square plus A value, it is 5 plus of, you write minus 1. Okay, plus of minus 1 into x means again it is 4x plus A value, it is 5 and B value is minus 1. So simplify this. 4x whole square means 4 4 the 16, 16x square. This will become 5 minus 1 into 4x. 5 minus 1 into 4x. This will become plus into minus minus 5 on the 5. You look at this. Plus into plus plus. Again plus into minus minus only. So now 16x square. This will become 5 minus 1 4. This 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 4 is 16 plus 16x. Last one minus 5. So this is the product. 2x plus 5y, 2x plus 3y. First term is same. X plus a and the second term is different here. X plus a, x plus b. So therefore you can write the formula. It is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. It is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Compare this one. So in place of x, what you are having? In place of x, 2x. In place of a, it is 5y. In place of b, it is 3y. So let us write x. Wherever x you get, you write 2x. Wherever you are having a, you have to write 5y. B, you have to write 3y. So these values you have to substitute in the formula. Compare this one, question and the formula. X means 2x, a value 2, 5y, x again 2x, both are same. B value is 3y. So when you substitute here, x square, x means 2x, it should be 2x whole square, plus a value you know, look at this question, 5y plus b value, it is 3y, both are like terms only, 5y plus 3y. Then what is x? Again you have to write in place of x as 2x, then plus, what is a value? 5y into 3y. AB 5y into 3y. So now 2x whole square. 2x whole square means 2x into 2x. It gives you 4x square. Plus look at this, the numbers which are inside the bracket. 5y plus 3y. It is, both are like terms. 5y plus 3y. Add them. It becomes 8y into 2x. 8y into 2x. Then product of this one, 5 3s are 15, y into y square. Once again you can simplify here, 4x square plus 8 2s are 16, y into x, or you can write xy plus 15 y square as it is. 15 y square as it is. So this is the solution. The product of 2x plus 5y and 2x plus 3y is 4x square plus 16xy plus 15y square. Then here 2a square plus 9, 2a square plus 5. It is same, first term is same, only second terms are different. So therefore it is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. See, first terms are same, x and x, here also same. A and b different, therefore 9 and 5 also different. So you write the formula x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now if you compare this one, in place of x you have 2a square. In place of x you have 2a square. X can be written as 2a square. A can be written as 9. So b can be written as 5. So x is equal to, you can write 2a square. Here also you can see 2a square. So a is equal to, it is 9. A value 9. B value, here it is 5. So these values you need to substitute in the formula. Compare this question and the formula. X value 2a square, here also 2a square, here also 2a square. Then a value here 9, b value 5. So substitute in this formula, what you will get to see? X square, x value, what is that x? 2a square is there. X itself 2a square. Whole to the power, this 2 you have to write. Be careful in writing this one. X itself 2a square. We have x value itself 2a square. And this whole to the power 2 you have to write as it is this 2. Okay. This 2 you have to write as it is. In place of x you are writing 2a square. Then come to this one, a plus b. What is a here? 9. What is b here? 5. 9 plus 5. So now here we have x. What you have to write in place of x? In place of x you have to write 2a square. So in place of x let us write 2a square. Plus again a value 9 into b value 5. Simplify this one. 2a square whole square means, you know, 2a square whole square is nothing but 2a square into 2a square. 2a square into 2a square. It is 4a to the power 4. Okay. Inside the bracket 9 plus 5, 14 into 2a square. 9 5s are 45. So now let us write once again 4a to the power 4. 14 2s are 28. 14 and 2 you have to multiply. 28 a to the power 2 plus 45. So this is the solution. The given question xyz minus 4, xyz minus 2. Now this is not in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So let us make this in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So what I will do, xyz I will write as it is. Now instead of writing minus 4, I will write plus itself. Then inside the bracket I will write minus 4. So now it is converted into x plus a. Okay. Now come to the second one. X, y, z plus of minus 2. Look at this. Now it is in the form of x plus a, x plus b. So let us write the formula. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square into a plus b into x plus ab. So now compare this one. In place of x, you have x, y, z. In place of x, you have x, y, z. X, y, z in place of x. Here also you can see x, y, z. Both the places you are seeing x, y, z. Here also x, y, z. Now, in place of a, what you can see here? In place of a, you can see minus 4. In place of b, you can see minus 2. So that means a value is equal to minus 4, b value is equal to minus 2. So these things you should note down and substitute in the formula. Again, compare this one, look at this x. Here we have two places. X is in two places, here and here. Look at this, x is equal to xyz. Then whereas a value it is equal to minus 4, b value is equal to minus 2. Substitute in the formula. X square, x value means xyz. Wherever x is there, you have to write xyz. This is square, you have to write whole square as it is. Then a plus b, a value is minus 4. So let us write inside the bracket minus 4 plus b value is minus 2. So minus 2. I am writing inside the bracket because they are negative numbers. So a, this is a plus b value minus 2. Again x value you can see here xyz. X value, this x value xyz. Then this plus as it is a value. Again a value is minus 4. So minus 4 into the last one minus 2. See, look at the substitution here. X square, xyz. X means xyz whole square. Here a plus b means a value is minus 4 plus b value is minus 2. So minus 4 plus of minus 2. In place of x again xyz. Plus we have written as it is a value minus 4, b value minus 2. Minus 4 into minus 2. Now xyz whole square means, you know that xyz whole square means you have to write twice xyz into xyz. So what happens xyz into xyz? X square y square z square. X square y square z square. Every variable appears two times. So okay, now come to inside the bracket here. Minus 4 plus or minus 2. Both are negative numbers. You have to add them. So it becomes minus 6. Minus 4 plus or minus 2, it becomes minus 6. Then into x, y, z. Plus these two negative numbers, product of negative numbers. Minus and minus. Product of this minus and minus gives you plus only. 4 2s are 8. Minus 4 into minus 2. 8. Now write again once again x square y square z square. Here plus into minus minus, it becomes minus 6 x y z. Last term as it is 8. So this is the solution. Again look at this. Compare the formula. In place of x you have x y z. In place of a minus 4, x again x y z, b minus 2. You substitute in this formula. X square means x y z whole square, square as it is, these two as it is. Only in place of x I am writing x y z. Here a value minus 4, b value minus 2, b value minus 2. So here minus 2. Again here we have x, so you have to write x y z, x y z. So now plus you have to write as it is. In place of a you write minus 4, in place of b you have to write minus 2. So x y z whole square means it is nothing but x square y square z square. Minus 4 plus or minus 2 gives you, both are negative numbers now, therefore it gives you minus 6 into xyz. So both product of two negative numbers is always positive. Minus 4 into minus 2, it gives you plus 8. So therefore we have written plus 8 at the end. So if you simplify it, you will get the product. So this one, x square y square z square minus 6xyz plus 8 is the product. This in the examples problems when we are doing, we learn this one. Find the following squares. Squares you have to do. This is a square, whole square, by using the identities. So use the identities which is similar to this one. B minus 7 whole square. Which identity we will recall this one? By looking. So you write a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. So compare the question with the formula. So now in place of a you have b. In place of b you have 7. So a value is equal to b. B value is equal to 7. So here we are not writing minus 7. Remember why we are not writing minus 7? Because minus b is equal to minus 7. Minus b is equal to minus 7 means b is equal to 7 only. You understood this? So here if you take minus b, there you have to take minus 7. If you take just b, there you take just 7. So therefore b is equal to 7. So now what is a square? A square means a value here b. You write it becomes b square. Minus 2 into what is a value? It is b. What is b value? It is 7. So last term 7 b square means it is 7 square. Now simplify this one. B square as it is minus 2 into 7, it is minus 14b. So last one 7 square means it is 49. So this is the square of b minus 7. The square of b minus 7 is this. Xy plus 3z whole square. What formula you will recall after seeing this question? So it is similar to a plus b whole square. Similar to a plus b whole square. Therefore it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now compare this one. In place of a we have xy. In place of b we have 3z. So let us write that one separately. A is equal to xy, b is equal to 3z. So wherever you get a, you write xy. Wherever you get b, you write 3z in the formula. So what happens you see? A square, that means xy whole square. Again look at this. a xy whole square plus 2 into a value xy plus b value, that is b value 3z, b is equal to 3z whole square. Xy whole square means x square y square, 2 3s are 6, xy z, then 3z whole square means it is 9z square. So this is the solution of this one. Okay.